What's good? What's good? What's good? It's big poppin'. You know, it's always sunny in Washington apparently now. You know, we the rainy state, but it's the sunny state lately. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna lie. Let me take this mask off because it's hot. You know, ninja can't breathe. My mama's daddy's sister's cousins. You know what I almost said, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? But how y'all doing, man? For real, you know what I'm saying? Sorry I ain't posted a video I think it's been like 2 weeks now. I'm just formulating a better plan. I wasn't like organized enough in this YouTube life. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't like separating my content and, you know what I'm saying? So now I feel like I should go through it and kind of single out each, like, I guess, set of work I've done. You know what I'm saying? All the different things I've done, and then single them up and make them, you know what I'm saying, their own album or file or something. You know what I'm saying? I need to get more organized in the factors, just because now I'm starting to run into the problem of like ex-girlfriends in my videos and talking and speaking all loud, and, you know what I'm saying, just whole bunch of stuff that I got no time for. Like, I don't want my ex all up in my videos and, you know what I'm saying, all this other stuff. So I need to go through and edit and delete a bunch of stuff off of there. But, you know what I'm saying, I'm coming back. Don't even trip. I'm coming back. Just give me like a week or two or so. You know what I'm saying? Let me get everything formulated. Let me get my new editing app right. And, you know what I'm saying, all my little things that I need to get this popping. You know what I'm saying? Because, oh yeah, I'm about to get a new camera. I got a lot of good things coming. You know what I'm saying? Just give me a little bit of time. Mama's sister's cousins. Yeah, my hands is dirty as hell because of freaking work. Go crazy. I'm about to eat lunch. I'm on lunch. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Slide. Go crazy. Goes through there, through this hole, and wraps around. That's that cable right there. And then these are for the normal brake line that I do not have on here, so I just cut this one. I got my own. But I'm gonna strip this down so it's lighter and it'll be a lot easier to handle. Probably gonna paint this just because, clean it up, paint it, you know what I'm saying, so it'll look a little better. And then, yeah, I mean, we're just gonna go from there. This is, I mean, see, I gotta do both of them. And then I'm getting new bearings. See how that one's all rusty and raggedy anyway, so get new bearings. I got new trailing arm bushings. These bushings are still pretty good, so I'm probably just gonna keep these ones in here, you know, so. Yeah, I mean, this is it for right now. You know what I'm saying? And then we'll tackle all the other stuff. See, this one got no studs or nothing in it. I'm taking this caliper off. I don't know where it went, but there's a little clip. There's a little clip right there that goes in that little hole. And then, I guess it would make sense for it to just pop out, right? Come on.
It brings confidence. They can put on their backpack, brush their teeth, put on deodorant, and they can walk into school knowing that they're the best self that they can be.
Here's your chance to make a huge difference in the lives of local kids by purchasing and donating school supplies and personal hygiene items at Boxell Drive.
And then because I don't like taking stuff like this off, it looks like it just goes through though. Oh yeah, it does. Cool. And boom, look, caliper off. Cool. Butt naked now. This can just going through. Break. cable. That's one. Gang. I need to get this cap off. There's gonna be a 34, it's 32 under here. Zip that off and the bearing will just come off. And then we'll be able to get off this cover and stuff. You notice already, I had already took the liberty and burned this one out, but I'm gonna actually just try and beat it out and see if it'll come out. So I don't even gotta worry about it, you know. Do it right, got no problems. My YouTube fam, yeah. So we got some good stuff done today, you know what I'm saying? So I'm sure y'all seen this already, but you guys didn't see it torn all the way down. I'm gonna show you guys when I do this one, how I did it and what I did to do so. But I'm not doing that yet because I still haven't gotten this trailing arm bushing out yet, and that is my struggle so far. But we'll cross that path when we get there. What's up with it, my YouTube fam? You know what I'm saying? We back with it another day. You know, it's Tuesday. We out here working on VTEC Stally again, you know. Apparently I don't know my own car's name, you know. But so yeah, we just gonna jump right into it, honestly. I'm gonna give y'all the rundown real quick and then we gonna here, let me go show you this shit first. So got this wheel off. This is my wheel was just making hella noise and I didn't get why. I thought it was my brakes, which if you guys can see that, still got a little bit of pad in there. I got some brand new pads for them though. But see, this bolt was stripped, or can't think of what these are called right now. Man, I can't think of what they're called right now. But this one is stripped, and then this one's kind of bad, but it's not stripped, but you know, raggedy. But I'm about to replace. I'm gonna replace the this lug right here. It's not lug. I can't think of what it's called right now, but I'm about to replace this. Oh, that's why this bounces, because the bolt's coming loose again. All right. Well, now I know that, so I can button that thing up. But need to replace this bushing too. If you guys ain't noticed, look, that thing is bad. Oh, oof, yeah. ASAP, high key. That is not good. But we're gonna be doing some suspension today. As much as I need to be doing this body work, honestly, I need to fix my brakes because it's so bad. Honestly, it's so bad. So I'm gonna go around, take the rest of these wheels off, and then show you what we about to be doing next. Three lug. Damn, that one was loose already. Never buy a JDM Racing lug nuts, man. Check! All my wheels are just in bad shape. Like, look, 3 lug nuts on this one. Because they're raggedy, man. I told you. Don't even waste your time or your money. Shit. It was like, what, those was like $50 or something? $50? Just raggedy. So I forgot to show y'all me popping out this bushing. This is the second one that I popped out, but I ain't even gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I was watching YouTube. Everybody was doing it with sledges. I did it with this. Just give it a gang of good whacks. You know what I'm saying? And knock it outward, which is down. Don't knock it this way. Knocking it this way You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna ruin it. Shoot, my problem with this is how do I know if it's in far enough or too far, you know? But we'll get there. Right now I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to strip this down. 14. Not 14. Had to switch guns real quick. I love that DeWalt drill, man. It's so nice. I ain't gonna lie, none of this is easy doing it one-handed. Bro, come on. These are your brake line bolts and like fasteners, so you can, you know what I'm saying, hold all of this stuff together. I mean, if you're like me and you either forget or lose bolts all the time, just re-thread them back in there. You'll be alright. It's funny because I feel like I put them backwards. It's good. To do this right here. Hold on, let me get better position. So what y'all are looking at right now is the brake line, and somebody did this so ghetto. Because you're supposed to put a clip, obviously. Let's rotate it the other way. My bad, I had to fix the angle of the camera. Still fresh meat, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get this clip off though, because somebody apparently made their own clips for whoever had this car before, whoever had these before me. So, let's get this free. I had to grab a screwdriver because my fingers wasn't strong enough to bend it by itself. Let's do this. Separate them. We'll get this clip off and then I should just go and focus on this side right now. We'll grab some PB real quick and then show y'all what we're gonna do with this one.